Hello, investors, and if you're looking for a multiple occupancy unit, then we can offer you townhouse unit, Louis Estate beside Colorado Home. So it is beside also to Alta Bohol Resort and Convention Center here located at Baclayan, Bohol. As you can see, it's also near to Baclayan Church, and near to here is we have market here, Baclayan Market, and it's also near to Schools Medical Center, and very near to 10 minutes drive going to Tagbilaran City, Tagbilaran Seaport, where Tagbilaran City, where malls, hospitals, banks, schools, and essential establishments are located. And it's also 20 minutes drive going to Manglao International Airport and 15 minutes drive going to Manglao White Sand Beaches.
So ito po ang kanyang ground floor area. So you can have your TV here, you can have your living area. Then ito po ang kanyang kitchen. Then dito po sa ground floor may toilet and bath tayo. So upon turnover, fully finished na po lahat. So ito po ang kanyang model unit. So ito po is ang dirty kitchen. So you can have a laundry here in this area. So ang napakaganda ng unit ito is high ceiling talaga siya. Above standard yung ceiling height niya. Then dito may hagdanan pa taas going to the second floor area. So yan po ang ating ground floor area. So okay na po siya for starting family. Then dito po sa taas is we have 2 bedroom here and 1 common toilet, and you can have also a cabinet in that place. Ito po kanyang toilet and bath sa ground sa second floor area natin. Tapos dito po sa left side natin is ito po ang kanyang bedroom number 1. So you can have a double deck bedroom here. Then also this is the master's bedroom. So you can make or put a TV in front of your bed. And we have also a balcony in this master bedroom. So ito po ang kanyang community. As you can see, along Barangay Road talaga siya. So no rough road and easy access going to Tagbilaran City. So ito po ang kanyang buong community. So for more details, you can contact me on my Facebook accounts. So baba tayo sa baba ng unit natin. So you can design that wall or anything you want. And ito po ang kanyang babaan. So ito po ang kanyang ground floor area.
Of this unit, this Nova Townhouse located at Iguanan, Baclayan, Bohol is 72.94 square meter floor area. Sa ground floor niya po ay 48 square meter, and sa second floor niya po is 24.32 square meter. It have 2 bedroom, 1 service area, 1 kitchen, 1 living room, 1 carport, and 2 common toilet and bath. For reservation fee of 20,000 pesos only, and it will be deductible to your total contract price. So this is a ready for occupancy unit. 20,000 lang po ang kanyang reservation fee to hold the unit, and minimum down payment to move in is pwede siyang spot cash na 543,850 or installment at 6 months for 90,641 monthly. Then ang kanyang remaining balance upon move-in will be loanable via bank financing up to 20 years. So don't worry for the bank financing kasi we are accredited to major banks like BDO, BPI, or RCBC. So we can help you out for that application process. So the total contract price of this unit is 2.8 million pesos. And for more details, you can contact me at my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Viber account as flash on the screen. And you can contact me also at my Facebook account, Mark Antonio Samson Taguli.